Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country, and you join me here today on Avenue Road where we have this absolutely beautiful Victorian villa. It's got an absolute expansive amount of living space, and at the back we've got off-road parking and a lovely courtyard garden. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in a lovely and tranquil rear garden of this amazing home. It really is a sun trap, and you've got the added benefit of a double garage and your own parking space. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thanks for watching.